everybody, this is Noah for Noah Toy Review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a McDonald's toy. Stay tuned. So guys, this thing show a tablet right here. This is the tablet. You could download this app. You could download this app on Play Store, or you could
McPlay.
Yeah, everyone. That. Let's open it. Let's see what toy is this. This is actually a McDonald's toy. So let's open this. This is another video of this. This is a mask. Yeah. This thing comes with this card. You could scan this toy. When you download, you want to watch your toy, you have to scan your toy. Yeah. This thing, I'm going to open it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and put these on my head. This is what they look like. Do they look nice? They look very nice. So this is actually a toy. There's nothing on the back. There is some yellow things.
That's for your ears.
Those are for your ears, and these are for your nose. And here's your nose. Here's these eyes, so you could put these in your eyes. Ooh, these look nice. Yeah. So this is kind of a good toy. It has some ears. It looks like a PJ Masks toy.
Looks like cat girl.
Huh?
Looks like a cat girl.
Yeah.
It's a cat boy, it's cat girl.
Oh, cat girl? Oh yeah! It looks like cat boy, but it's cat girl. Because there's some red hair right here. And there's some white things right here. It's covering the
head.
The head, yeah. And here's some pink ears. Yeah. So you could download this McDonald's app. Yeah. You could see it. You could see the tablet. You could take a picture and scan your toy. Yeah. In the back, here's the Happy Mail. Yeah. Hey kids, this thing is available at McDonald's and McDonalds.com, or you'll order this from your phone. So yeah, you could get the Happy Meal. Yeah. Don't forget to download the app on Play Store, or you could get the link below on YouTube. Yeah. So this toy is called
Yokai Watch.
This is a Yokai mask. You see it? And it's on the McDonald's bag. Here's the Happy Meal. This is on. I'll put the link below so you could download it on your tablet. This thing is available on your phone and tablet. You could download this on your phone and your tablet. Yeah. So I like this mask. You want to see some more reviewing toys at restaurants? You want to click here. Yeah, click here to watch more Burger King toys. So I like this mask. It's super cool. Hey kids, do you like this mask? Yeah.
Give a big thumbs up if you like this mask. If you have this mask or one similar to this at McDonald's, give it a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up! I mean a big huge thumb! Yeah. And don't forget to hit the notification button
so you get notified every time he uploads a new video.
Yeah, don't forget to check me out. Noah Nation Toys for Youth.
NoahNationAdventures.com.
And you will see me of Daily Motion, and you will see me on YouTube. Bye, thanks for watching. I'm going to have fun with this mask. Bye!